Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela. The South Africans don't wanna forget what Cyril Ramaphosa has done in his farm in Palapala Farm, despite the release of state capture. A lot has taken place in his farm, allegations of kidnapping and money laundering. This is after Zwane, who is a former spy, opened a case against President Cyril Ramaphosa. The alleged robbery happened at Ramaphosa's Palapala farm, where suspects were caught after stealing over $4 million hidden on the president's farm. The police confirmed that a case was opened at the Rosebank police station. Others claimed that the suspects were subsequently kidnapped, interrogated before being paid off, and asked to keep silent on the matter. Fraser has also alleged in a statement that Cyril Ramaphosa also failed to report the crime to the police. Ever since the news broke 3 weeks ago, President Cyril Ramaphosa has been trending since then. The South Africans are so focused in such a way that they don't want to be distracted with the current affairs such as load shedding and state capture reports. They want Cyril Ramaphosa gone and face the music. The Twitter streets are on fire. Palapala Farm Gate is still trending. People have been reacting to the news. Someone tweeted, #Palapala Farm Gate, the man that saved our country from a mattress bank. One also wrote, a focused nation. No amount of distraction will make this go away. #Palapala Farm Gate. One also said, no load shedding stages formed against #Palapala Farm Gate scandal should prosper. No Zondo gossip report formed against #Palapala Farm shall prosper. And no division formed against people's real interest. #Palapala Bank shall prosper. Someone also said, #Palapala Farm Gate is trending #1. I love South Africans. Very focused. Somebody also said, Sila, no distraction will work. #Palapala Farm Gate. Well, honestly, in my own opinion, I couldn't agree with these people. Ramaphosa needs to face the music. We want him gone. This man is very dangerous. Ramaphosa should be held accountable for this. What's your take on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.